Hey, excuse me, I really love your house. How much do you pay per month in rent?
I mean, this house is not my house.
Oh, is it not?
My house is just about that way.
And what do you pay in rent for that house?
I don't rent it, I own it.
Oh, how much did it cost to buy?
We bought that a few years ago for 3 million.
3 mil?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you mind if you give us a little tour around?
Man, you can come and have a look around.
All right, let's do it.
We did a rent to buy on it, so we rented it for a bit, and then we saved up the deposit to buy it.
Wow, this is sweet. You got one of the hot water taps?
That comes out boiling.
Oh, what's this, like the kids' room?
Yeah, this is the kids' playroom. Fourth kid on the way.
How many kids do you reckon you'll have?
I reckon this will be it now, but we keep saying that, so we'll see. I don't know if our bedroom's tidy, but we can go and have a look. Yeah, you've got 6 bedrooms, 6 toilets, gym, studio room, annex.
Is this your room?
Yeah, this is my room. That's our TV on the wall.
Wait, hold on, that's a TV on the wall. That's too cool.
You know what's more important to me than materialistic things? Knowledge.
Knowledge. What's your favourite book?
My favourite book? Asking me my favourite book is always like the most recent, you know what I mean? Like if I just read something recent, but all business, personal development, finance. I really like the books, the rules of, so the rules of wealth, the rules of life, the rules of everything. That's a really good series that I've just finished reading now.
So what can someone do to be like you and own a house like this?
Rather than chasing after the house or chasing after the money, it's about trying to become the kind of person that can make the money. So study rich people, figure out what they do, what they're good at, how they're bringing value to the marketplace, and just learn those skills, and then the money will follow. I've got a little gym in here.
You got a gym?
A little gym.
Talk us through, what's your gym routine right now?
Gym routine, you know, bench press, squats, pull-ups. Woo.
You're looking wham.
Dips, dumbbells, just everything, man.
How were you able to afford this personally? What did you do to make all your money?
I actually, to buy this, I bought some pieces of land for very cheap and then got planning permission to build houses and then just sold the land on with the planning. Profits in the planning. And
Really?
the profit that I made from that, put as a down payment, buy this house. This is like an office, home studio.
How much did that cost to build?
About 120,000. Yeah.
Nice, damn, that's actually like kind of professional, you know?